If you sell auto parts, car accessories, motorcycle spare parts, or even printer parts, electronic accessories etc., this Magento 2 Auto Parts theme is right for you. It includes a product parts finder to search products on the basis of specific characteristics, such as year, make, model, etc. The built-in product parts finder enables customers to find the exact spare part that they need, but that's not all. The MageBees theme has many more features. Powerful admin features, pre-built layouts, built-in widgets, Varnish cache compatible, RTL support, Google rich snippets, sticky menu, improved layered navigation, social media options, and blog support. By buying the Magento 2 Auto Parts theme, you not only get access to the 100% responsive theme, but you also enjoy a cluster of useful M2 extensions for free. So, there you have it. Buy a good-looking auto parts theme with solid features, and you get premium Magento 2 extensions for free.